Hi everyone, this is Little Montessori Pundits. You must be wondering why LMP is sharing videos on how to harvest and collect seeds for next year's sowing season. It's very simple, it's part of LMP's Giving Garden projects. Gardening is good for your soul. We encourage young children to take part in many projects such as planting sunflowers, vegetables, and flowers. Today, I will be sharing with you how to harvest and collect Rudbeckia seeds. Here, I have a different type of Rudbeckia, which is the black-eyed Susan, and it's a perennial plant. And I'm just going to leave that here, and next year it will come up again. But then I have an annual Rudbeckia here, and there are some on the other side, and that's where I would like to go and share with you how to collect seeds from this annual Rudbeckia. These are one of my favorite plants. They're so easy to grow each year. So I have perennial Rudbeckia here, and then I have annual Rudbeckia, and that's what we are going to do, collect seeds for next year planting from this Rudbeckia. Need a cutter, can reuse an envelope, need something white so that you can see the seeds. So I'm using here a plate. So to collect seeds from Rudbeckia, same as all the seeds that we've been collecting. So once the flower petals are gone, and here is an example, and you're left with the flower head, and with Rudbeckia it's slightly different. So you can see that this is a whole flower. So all you do, you wait for the flower petals to go, and I have one here. So I'm going to collect these flower heads. I'm back indoors. It's quite windy, so my collected seeds were blowing away, so I'm indoors now. Just bringing the flower heads here inside, and I just put them in the tray, and you can see all these seeds coming out from the flower head. So collecting Rudbeckia seeds are very easy. You just step the seed head onto a plate, and you can see how many seeds are coming out. So one flower head would give you around 200 something seeds for next year's sowing. So you can leave this in a place where it doesn't get direct sunlight, and that's about it. And this is how you collect Rudbeckia seeds. So simple as that. If you like, you can also use the tip of your finger to separate the seeds from the seed head. These are all seeds. So for next year, I'm going to get quite a few seeds that I can sow in my butterfly garden, because it attracts a lot of beneficial insects. Look how many seeds I have. So that's quite a few. You can actually sieve the seeds, but I really don't mind. When I sow the seeds, then they are part of the soil as well. So best to store them in a paper bag so that the moisture will evaporate from the seed, and they'll be nice and dry to sow them next year.